Hi friends, welcome to the Programmer Me program, Introduction to Penetration Test. Let me introduce myself. I am Anastaf TK, an ethical hacker and pen tester from Cybrary. Now we directly go into our topic, Introduction to Penetration Test. I think maybe you have the question, what is penetration test and why is penetration test? One thing before coming to the topic, I would like to tell you nature of this program. It's more concentrated on practical oriented because it's more understandable. So come to the topic, what is penetration test? The penetration test is also called a pen test, and it is a test to check the security weakness of a web application, network or systems. And the second one is why is pen testing? It's a very important question related to an organization like banks, government, infrastructures, online shopping, social media and etc., because their all main asset is data. So we can simply say it is a authorized test to establish how weak your organization's cybersecurity is and what you can do to strengthen it. In this program we are mainly concentrated on web application penetration test. The penetration test have some methodologies or step, that is information gathering, vulnerability scanning or discovery, exploitation and post-exploitation. So we start with one information gathering. Before going to the information gathering, we want to know what is a website and how a website is work. A website is just an application installed on a computer, and it has a operating system, and it have a web server like Apache, and it have a database like MySQL, and these things are executed in the web application, and it's written in PHP, Python or any other programming language that is suitable for web developing. Now we take an example. If you enter facebook.com in your phone or tablet or PC, then facebook.com go to the DNS server, and DNS server facebook.com converted to its corresponding IP address, then the IP address go to the corresponding server, then in server side the web application is executed, not in the client side. The web application is executed in the server side, but JavaScript also executed in the client side. Now I think you got an idea of basic working of a website. Okay, come to the topic, information gathering. First we want to gather maximum information of a target web application like IP address, domain name information, technologies used, other website on the same server, DNS record, unlisted files, subdomain and directories. I used this tool to gather maximum information of a website. One is Whoislookup. It finds information about the owner of the target website, and another one, Netcraft site report. It shows technology used on the target website. Then the Roptex DNS lookup, it shows comprehensive information about the target website. We start with one, Whoislookup. I will show you an example. Don't forget one thing, it's only for educational purpose. First we enter Whoislookup. This is the tool Whoislookup. Then just enter www.kusak.in and search it. Now you can see registered organization is Cochin University College of Engineering, Kuttanad, country India, registrar is GoDaddy, our college registered in GoDaddy. Then dates, it's 1635 days old. It's created on 2015-10-14. It is based on 2020-10-14. It's updated on 2019-10-14. And our college website's server, then it shows our IP address, then IP location is US, then server type, it's very important. Our college website server type is Apache version 2.4.1. that's all. Then the next one is Netcraft Netcraft site report. It shows technology user on the target website. So we just enter netcraft site report netcraft.com, then just enter www.kusak.in and look up it. You can see site details, name of server, IP delegation, hosting history. In hosting history you can see the OS operating system used our college website is Linux. Then site technology, our college website used application server is Apache, I told you. Then technology, our used cPanel, our college website used cPanel. cPanel is a web hosting control panel. If you enter kusak.in/cPanel, then you can get our college cPanel. If you got the username and password, then you can do anything on our college website. If you want to username and password, you can do phishing attack or brute force attack, dictionary attack. Also there are a lot of tools for cPanel attacking. Okay, come to the another one, that is Roptex DNS lookup. This is the tool. We just enter www.kusak.in and go. Roptex tool is used for showing comprehensive information about the target website. You can see the DNS records. This is the DNS record details. Then you can see a lot of information about our college website. You can see our college website server details in graphically. Okay, that's all. Now I think you got a basic idea about information gathering. So we got the next one, that is vulnerability scanning, exploitation and post exploitation. We start with the simple type vulnerability, that is file uploading vulnerability. It's allowed to upload executable files such as PHP through a backdoor. Then the next question, how to create a backdoor such as PHP. We creating backdoor using a tool called Weebly. You can see some command used in Weebly. For generating backdoor, we use the Weebly generate and given a password, then give a file name. For connect the target website to attacker computer using this command, I will show you an example. Before going to the Weebly, we want to know about an operating system called Kali Linux. This is the operating system, Kali Linux. This was mainly created for pen testing and hacking. In this operating system, there is a lot of inbuilt tool for pen testing and hacking. You can see in application menu there is a lot of tool: information gathering, vulnerability analysis, database assessment, password attack, wireless attack. There is a lot of tool for hacking and pen testing. We will also inbuild a tool in Kali Linux. You can see our target website. This is our target website. This website is a locally hosted website for only studying the pen testing, and this window is used for uploading images. Like if you can check in our college website kusak.com, it's loading. There is a window alumni. There is a link alumni. Then if you click the register now, then you can see there is a upload window. You can upload your photo like that. This is a website. This window for uploading images. Now we find vulnerability, file uploading vulnerability. if you can upload a photo into this window, you can see the image is successfully uploaded. Now we want to upload a backdoor such as PHP. For that, we want to create a PHP for using Weebly. For that, we use this command weebly generate, give a password, and then give a file name. First, we want to change the directory to desktop. Then enter weebly space generate space give a password, then give the name. I just give hack.php. Enter. Now you can see there is a PHP created, hack.php. It's just some codes. Now we trying to upload that file to this website, hack.php. You can see hack.php successfully uploaded into this website. The next step is we want to connect this website to our computer. That means we want to connect target website to attacker computer. For that, we use this command weebly, then the location of URL or the URL, then password, the given password. This is the password. For that, first we want to copy the URL location. We just remove this one, then paste our shell's location. Then enter. You can see it's a blank page because it's not an image. If you can see the previous image, previous upload image, for that you just give the URL. Okay, in previous we uploaded this picture. You can see in the server. Now we trying to a reverse connection. For that, we just enter weebly space, then give the URL, then give the password. Now we got the reverse connection. This terminal now in this target website's server. If you enter print working directory, you can see IP address of this website. Then if you type this command ls let shows, then you can see a lot of file in the server. You can see hack.php, it's uploaded in the server, and you can see the version of the server. Just enter uname a, then you can see it's a Linux machine, Linux Metasploitable server, and you can do anything in this terminal. If you want to know more about this terminal, you can just enter help. Then you can see we will use this command. Also they given the description about what is used all commands. Now we find a vulnerability, that is file upload vulnerability, and we upload the PHP shell, that is exploitation. Then we did take a back connection, and we got the target website's server, that's post exploitation. This is the procedure for pen testing. Then now I introduce a tool called Sniper. It is a fully automated tool for pen testing. It's available in GitHub. I will show you that. Sniper GitHub. This is the tool. You can do fully automated pen testing using this one. If you want to download this tool, you just click the clone or download and copy the URL, then type git clone and give the URL and enter. I already downloaded it. For running, you just enter Sniper, then space, give the target www.kusak.com, then enter. Okay, we want to give the root permission. For that, just give sudo, then give the password. Take time. We just put into background this one. Now come to the file uploading vulnerability. In this time, DVWA website increased the security level, so now we can only upload JPG format image. We cannot upload any PHP shell. I will show you. Now we can upload JPG format image successfully, but in the case of PHP shell we cannot upload that. So it filtering, you can see your image was not uploaded. So the website is filtering and only allowed to JPG format. In this time, we want to know more about the website. We want to know how a HTTP request work. If a user click on a link, then the HTML website generate a request in client side, then the request sent to the server. In server side, server perform the request, then it send a response back. This is the common procedure in request sending. There is a two type of request, get request and post request. Get request is a request with data. You can say request with data, but the post request we cannot see any data along with the request. Now come to the file uploading vulnerability. Now come to the file uploading vulnerability. DVWA website filtering client side, and it's only allow JPG file to upload. So we want to intercept that request before going to the server. For that, we used a tool called Burp Suite. I will show you an example. Burp Suite also an inbuilt tool in Kali Linux. Burp Suite is a graphical tool for testing web application security, and it is written in Java. and give the next and start Burp. Burp Suite is starting now. Okay, Burp Suite is a big project. We using only the proxy side. If you can click the option, if you click the option, you can see there is a proxy 127.0.0.1 and port number 8080. We want to change also our website as same proxy and same port number. For that, we got the preferences, then we go to the network security and we change to manual proxy configuration, and we want to confirm the port number and proxy same as in Burp Suite and give OK. Now if you click the link of DVW website and it's loading and it's not loaded, it's loading. If you click the forward button, then only it's loaded. You can see it's loaded. If you click the upload button, it's loading. Then if you click the forward button, then it's loaded. You can see it's a post method, but you can see a lot of data. Now we're trying to upload our hack PHP shell. First we want to edit and change the extension to PHP JPG for the because our website only allowed to upload JPG file, so we want to change our extension. Also we change the name .jpg and OK. Now you can see it's changed JPG format. Now we want to upload that file, hack1.jpg, then upload. Click the upload button. You can see this is a post method, but you can see a lot of details about the request. Now we want to change the JPG to PNG, sorry, PHP. Okay, you can see a lot of details there. Okay, now we click the forward button. You can see now successfully upload the PHP file. So we did intercept the request. Now we try to take a reversal. For that we just enter VBD, then give the URL, then give the password and enter. Now we are in the target website. Now you can do anything in the server, in the target server. For example, pw print working directory, and you can do ls for, let us show. You can see what is in the server. Then if you do uname, you can see the version details of server. Linux Metasploitable machines. If you click help, you can see a lot of commands used in Weebly. Okay, that's all. And now we want to study another type of vulnerability, that is code execution vulnerability. It allows an attacker to execute OS command. If the server use Windows, you can execute using Windows command, or if the server use Linux, then we can use the Linux command. It can be used to get a reverse shell from the target website, or you can upload any file using wget command. I will show you an example. This is the DVW website. This column 4 just find IP address of the given website. You can see this is our college IP address. That means this column executes some command, like I will show you. It's also execute the Linux terminal. For that we use the command ping and give the IP, URL. Then you can see these are same result. So this column execute this command. That means this column executes some command. Now we're trying to exploit that. For that, if you give after your URL just give a colon, that means it's and then give a ls command. You can then you can see there is execute two commands. One is ping, then next one is latest shows command. You can see help index php source. So we're trying to exploit that. For that we use netcat. We use netcat tool to exploit the command execution. For that we use the command netcat space verbal information, then listening, then port 8080, and give the command netcat, then give E for reverse connection, then bin sh, then give the attacker IP address. For attacker IP address we want to enter sudo. For finding attacker IP address we want to find. For that, for enter sudo, then if config, give the password, then copy the IP address, and paste there. Then give the port number 8080. That's also. Then first we want to listen, then submit it. You can see now we got the connection. That means the target website connected to the attacker computer. Now you can do anything like previous we do that vivly. If we enter print working directory, then you can see the current working directory. If you enter ls, then you can see what is in the server. If you enter uname here, you can see the server details. If you enter help, you can see more command used in netcat. Okay, that's all. You can also use this, not only column, you can also use this sign. Now we want to know how many things are find the sniper, so we want to just check it. Sniper shows some results. It shows some network details, and This is a WAF-proof. It's a WAF-proof framework for dictating the target website used any web application firewall. You can see our college website used some web application firewall. You can see our college website used Apache version and cPanel. Then it's created on PHP version. You can see a lot of details about our college website. You can see user details of our college website. You can see these vulnerabilities are found in our college website. A lot of details found the sniper tool. You can use it's very simple. Okay, that's all. Now I conclude this section. Penetration test is a big chapter, and I will share you some materials if you're interested in Telegram channel. If you have any doubt in pen testing, you can also ask in Telegram channel. So thank you very much.